All right, here we are. Sorry, I was doing a couple things there, just testing some things out. All right, we're here with Photoshop Made Easy with Majinn, where I show you fast, clean, real results, no fluff. I'm going to be posting new videos 3 times a week, tutorials that stick. So what we're going to do here on this first one is a problem I used to run into when it comes to merging layers with generated AI images. So here, we'll just do this in example. Generate an image. I'll put crazy horse. How about that? Crazy animated horse. Now, a lot of the times, the reason why you want to merge a layer is because it's part of the image that you're creating, because we can add different things to them. So I'm doing a crazy horse on here. Okay, so there's a problem that you run into. I didn't do this on the right layer, so you won't get any kind of result with it. I'd have to bring it up. So I'd have to bring it up over this layer. Sometimes it's behind things. Doesn't mean it's not there. You just got to move the layer up in the forefront. So look, we got a crazy horse, all right? Now with this crazy horse, I want to add some more details to it with AI generation. So first thing you got to do is you got to rasterize this image. Actually, no, let's not do that. We're just going to stay on topic. So here, I'm going to go ahead and create another generated AI image. I'm going to put dog eating cat food. Now we're going to generate another image. I get sidetracked sometimes. I don't stay on topic, but we're going to stay on topic on this one. We'll save that for the next video. So now we have 2 AI images. All right, we got a dog eating cat food. It looks like a donkey, but okay. There we go. And now, so these images are separate, right? We can move them around. They're not together. We want to bring them together as one. Usually you can just merge down. You can click, merge down. In this situation, if I right click, merge down isn't an option. So in order to make this an option, we have to take this layer, since it has a mask and it has a smart object. Sometimes with smart objects are the same thing. You got to rasterize the layer first. And what you want to do is you can apply the layer mask, because it'll give you a prompt if you don't. Same thing with this. So now that the bottom layer is rasterized, all you have to do is merge down. It's gonna, there we go. So we merge down, and now it's combined. This is now a layer with these two as the same thing. So now we can move them together, and they're together. You can do it with different things. You can combine hats. Say if you have props that you put on an image or different features, you can merge it together so it stays as one image and you don't have these different layers every time. So that's it for Photoshop Made Easy with Majinn. Thanks for watching. Comment anything you have trouble with, and I will teach you in the videos to come. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe, like. Let me know any ideas you have on future videos. This is my first video, and there's many more to come. I'm going to have at least 3 videos a week, so stay tuned.